Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payment method from Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your payment method, just simply open any of your browser into your computer, and after opening your browser, you just simply have to open this site of agoda.com. Then, after tapping into agoda.com or opening the site for agoda.com, you just simply have to tap into this profile icon into the top. Just simply tap there and go to your profile. And from there, you will get to see this payment methods option. Just simply tap into that option. And from this section, you can easily remove or add a new payment method into your Agoda account if you have already added any payment method into here. This way you can easily change your payment method into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.